What's going on, you guys? Today I've got a super cool accessory for you to add to your backpacking collection that was just sent to me by an amazing company, and I'm going to open it right here, right now, in front of you guys. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time, hello. My name is Thomas Copley, and I love making videos about backpacking, outdoor stuff, camping, basically anything that's fun outside. The piece of gear that I'm about to review for you guys is one that I feel like isn't talked about nearly as much as the other stuff. Backpacking channels love to talk about the gear, the tents, the sleeping bags, and that's because they're awesome and we love it. But something that I feel like should be talked about that isn't talked about nearly as much as that should be is sunglasses. Sunglasses are super important for your general comfort, but also for your eye health. According to Columbia University, not wearing sunglasses in direct sunlight exposes your eyes to harmful rays that can do a few things. It's going to damage your eye cells, which can lead to some sort of cancer or even to vision loss. So a couple weeks ago, this company contacted me about if I would possibly want to try out a few of their sunglasses. And so, of course, I said yes. And so they let me choose a few styles, and then in the next few days, they sent it out to me. Now, I'm always looking for new sunglasses, and this is because I used to use like Oakley's and Costas and stuff like that, and they're really good. I love those sunglasses, but they kind of feel like if you dare damage them, you're like screwed. If you happen to lose them or break them, it's going to be another year before you can afford to replace them. This company that I'm about to show you is super affordable while still maintaining that quality that you expect. This is why I'm super excited to introduce you to a company by the name of Wear OYO. Like I told you guys a second ago, they sent me a few pairs, so I already opened up this box because I couldn't wait to look at what they looked like and felt like, and I wanted to try them out for a few weeks before I recommended them to you. What I've got here is the sport style, and this is the brown. So there's a little bit of brown on the top here, and there's black on the bottom here. What's interesting is they also sent me the black. This is just some stuff they sent me on the side. This is a nice like balaclava bandana. And this is the little thing that goes around your neck so that way it won't fall into the water. But anyways, so they also sent me this black pair, which I don't know if it comes with that just by buying one color, or if they just sent it to me because they were trying to get me to try out some of their sunglasses. But either way, they're super cool. There's this black one with a little bit of camouflage on the inside, and there's this brown and black one. What's neat is these are all polarized, okay? So these are all polarized, or at least most of their sunglasses are polarized. They do not feel cheap, they're very comfortable to wear, they look great, and they're much less than Oakley's and Costas. So these glasses, most of them, there are some that are above and there are some that are below, but most of their glasses range for about $30. These things look great and they feel great, and they feel great, especially to my wallet. These things are, by far, have not disappointed me yet. This is just the sports style, but I'm super excited because then I also asked for the aviator style. They have an aviator style and a sports style, and there's a few other styles that they have. And I asked for the aviator style because when I'm not backpacking, I tend to wear day to day this aviator style more. So right here I have the box. This is the aviator style glasses. I have not opened this up yet until right now. So let's go ahead and do that together. So you open up the box, and what they've got for you, what in the world? They even send you a little case for it. What in the world? Alright. So they sent me a little leather case. Maybe it's fake leather, but it's a leather case. What is this? I have no idea what that is. Oh, maybe it's a little tool that can help me fix my glasses should they break. These things feel like quality. Of course, this is just the outside, okay? But, I mean, holding them, they're almost as heavy as my Costas were. No, I'm not saying that heavy means that they're quality, but these things look great just from the outside. Look at this. So these are the aviator style. This is what I'll wear on a more day-to-day basis. And these things, just from looking at them right now, they look great. Look at this style on the outside here. They are also polarized, if I'm remembering correctly. And like I said, so I don't know. I think this thing's like to repair it if you need to. But I mean, it came with a little case you can kind of keep it in. That was not what I was expecting. I had no idea that was going to happen. Then once again, they have this little thing to go around your neck, and then they've got a cloth case. I believe this is the cloth sleeve. You can also slide it in to then maybe put inside this, or just if you don't want to have this thing with you. So yeah, okay, just looking at these things right now, they look like this is a great deal. This is what I'm saying, guys, is that it's $30. Like, I mean, I know Costas are great. I'm not saying they aren't. They're amazing glasses, and Oakley's are amazing glasses. But like I said, they make me scared to even put them on. So these things, I mean, I'm going to have to try these out for a week, and maybe I'll come back to you if suddenly I realize that they aren't good. But I mean, come on, guys. These things, for the way that they look and feel in my hand right now, I would not expect for these things to be $30, but they are, and they're all polarized, I believe. So seriously, guys, come on, if you want to, go ahead and check these things out. I'm going to try them out for a week and see how I feel after a week of using the aviators. I've already tried the sports style, and I absolutely love them. They're comfortable, and they're lightweight. This one is nice and hefty, but these things just look look great. So if you're looking for a pair of sunglasses that you can feel confident in and like the way that they look and they're polarized without breaking the bank, I really recommend that you check it out. Wear OYO. Wear OYO. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, which will bring you right to their website so you can browse through all the styles that they offer and see which one is right for you. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe I saved you a few $100s if you go check out these guys, Wear OYO. If you did like this video and you're looking forward to more backpacking videos or some gear videos, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and tune in next time for some more videos. Thank you guys. I'll see you later. Goodbye.